Hi guys, now I'm going to tell you how to prune petunias like this one. This one is a dead flower, which means that you are allowed to prune it. It's like this. See? Then you just keep it somewhere. But can you see the seedling? You need to also take this out. See? Now that the seedling is out, the plant won't think that is flowering is done. Because when you take one of these is there, then that means that the flower thing is done giving flowers. And there's one more. This one's already off, but when they die too much, they come off on their own actually. When they die too much, but you always need to take off its seedling. And this is how a seedling looks. See, you need to remember to take off seedlings. Like, can you see these two seedlings? This little bigger one. So can you see these seedlings?